In the competitive world of startups and fundraising, the investor's pitch deck is your golden ticket to capturing attention, building interest, and securing funding. This concise yet compelling presentation must effectively convey your business idea, strategy, and growth potential. Let's dive into why it matters, the critical elements it should include, and tips to make your pitch deck stand out. Why is an investor's pitch deck important? An investor's pitch deck is a visual storytelling tool designed to attract potential investors by clearly outlining your business opportunity and value proposition, being presented during pitch meetings, networking events, or email outreach. Being used as a conversation starter to provide an overview supported by detailed discussions during Q&A. Help founders, co-founders, and business development teams looking to secure funding from venture capitalists, angel investors, or corporate sponsors. Key slides to include in a killer investor's pitch deck. A successful pitch deck typically consists of 8 to 10 slides, each focusing on a core element of your business. Here's how to structure it. 1. Title slide. Purpose. Make a strong first impression with appealing design, message, and clear industry focus. That way, you'll easily separate those who are interested in your project or business case from those looking for something else. And, since professional investors look many pitch decks daily, that's how you'll stand out and be connected to or memorized with your presentation. What to include: company name, logo, tagline with industry elements, and contact information. Example, revolutionizing urban transport with a tagline like, smart e-bikes for a sustainable future. 2. Problem, purpose. Highlight the pain point or gap in the market you are eyeing. How to cover. Use statistics, anecdotes, or visuals to emphasize the issue. Example, 95% of commuters face delays due to traffic congestion, costing $5 billion annually in lost productivity. 3. Solution. Purpose. Present your product or service as the ideal solution and how it differs to current market suppliers. How to cover. Clearly explain how your offering addresses the problem uniquely. Basically, explain what competitors do and don't do, and how your solution is superior to their, perfectly answering the problem or the challenge. Example, our AI-powered platform reduces traffic delays by 40%, saving commuters time and money. 4. Market opportunity. Purpose. Showcase the size and potential of your target market. Simply said, if the niche is too narrow or small, investors won't be interested in your project. How to cover. Use TAM, meaning total addressable market, SAM, serviceable addressable market, and SOM, serviceable obtainable market, frameworks or industry reports. Example, the global urban transport market is valued at $200 billion, growing at 12% annually. 5. Business model. Purpose. Explain how your company is going to operate, from obtaining inputs, processing, serving customers, and making money. You can use Business Model Canvas as a framework to guide you. How to cover. Break down your revenue streams, pricing, and scalability. Pay attention to your unique value proposition and value capturing or monetization mechanics. Example, subscription-based model with 3 tiers, basic $10 a month, premium $25 a month, and enterprise $100 a month. 6. Traction. Purpose. Build credibility by highlighting achievements and milestones. Basically, what you have already done and what's the feedback from your early customers. How much money have you made? How many items have you sold? Etc. Design thinking approach can be very useful, especially if you are at a very early stage of development. How to cover. Use metrics like user growth, revenue, partnerships, or awards. Example, 10,000 active users acquired in 6 months, generating $500,000 in ARR, meaning annual recurring revenue. 7. Competition. Purpose. Show awareness of your market landscape. If there is no competition, the question is why. If no one is interested in solving the problem you are addressing, is this because the problem is too sensitive or complex, or the market niche is too small? How to cover. Use a comparative chart to highlight your competitive edge. Example, feature matrix comparing your product with competitors, emphasizing unique features like AI-driven insights or 10x faster setup. 8. Team. Purpose. Highlight the expertise and passion of your team. After all, you are not going to sell just the idea, but the authority on why your team can do it. How to cover. Include headshots, roles, and brief bios. Example, Jane Doe, CEO, 10 years in AI development at Google, John Smith, CTO, founded and exited 2 startups. 9. Financials. Purpose. Provide transparency and demonstrate potential profitability. How to cover. Use clear charts for projections on revenue, expenses, and growth. Here's the focus on your logic and the key numbers, basic revenue and cost structures, overall and per unit, and trends or expected pace of development. Yet, keep in mind that no one likes to see hockey stick charts. Simply, you're too aggressive and not able to defend your estimates during the Q&A. You'll lose your credibility. Example, projected $10 million ARR annual recurring revenue by year 3 with a 30% profit margin. 10. Call to action, CTA. Purpose. End with a compelling ask. How to cover. Simply said, engage your audience by clearly stating your funding need and how it will be used, and what other types of contribution you expect from them. For example, to open some doors for you or to connect you with relevant people, etc. Example, we're seeking $2 million to scale operations, enhance R&D, and expand into new markets. Tips for crafting a killer pitch deck. Keep it simple. Limit text and focus on visuals to make your slides engaging. Be data-driven. Use relevant statistics, charts, and graphs to back your claims. Tailor to your audience. Adjust your pitch deck's tone and content based on whether your audience is an angel investor, VC, or corporate partner. Avoid overloading slides. Stick to 3 to 4 bullet points or 1 major visual per slide. Design matters. Use a professional template, consistent fonts, and a clean layout. Practice delivery. A great pitch deck is only effective if you can confidently present it. What to avoid? Jargon overload. Avoid technical terms unless absolutely necessary. Vague projections. Be realistic and grounded in your financial forecasts. Clutter. Ensure slides are easy to read and visually appealing. Ignoring Q&A preparation. Be ready to answer detailed questions beyond your slides. Conclusion. By carefully crafting a compelling pitch deck with these elements and tips, you can captivate investors and set your business on the path to success. Remember, your pitch deck is not just a presentation. It's a powerful narrative that brings your vision to life.